other lifts in the Quays shopping centre in Portsmouth, plus some other lifts nearby. And it's lift tour time! Now to the first lift, which is an Otis 2000.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Please select your floor. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now to another Otis 2000. And now to another Otis 2000. And now to another Otis 2000.
Doors closing. Doors opening.
And now to yet another Otis 2000.
Doors closing. Doors opening.
And now, this was a very hot day. While filming these lifts, I got really tired as the weather was so hot. It was so exhausting. Anyway, now on to the Spinnaker Tower. This tower costs far too much to go up. It was such a rip-off. I really just couldn't be bothered. Even if I did go up this tower, a lift would be jam-packed full of other people wanting to go up. Plus, there's also a lift attendant. Even though this tower is 100 metres high, the lift here isn't actually that interesting. As well as this lift, there's also an outside lift, but this lift has never worked. Anyway, even though I didn't go up the Spinnaker Tower, I did manage to go up another tower, which was almost as tall. This tower is a block of flats, but annoyingly there's a stupid security person at reception. But when I went in, he was talking to someone, so I just walked on past and onto the lifts. The lift arrangement here is similar to the lifts at the Dockside Towers in Chatham. There are two lifts here, but these lifts are both different designs of Otis lift. One of them is the usual sort with the blue display, but this lift wasn't working this time, and the other lift was the Otis design of lift with the LED display. This is quite weird. They've got two different designs of lift in the same tower. Let's ride these lifts. The top two floors of this tower seem to be expensive penthouses or so, as only the top two floors were secure and needed an RFID card. The rest of the tower you could get to.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing. Second floor. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing. 19th floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now onto the Hard bus station. This bus station used to have a very nice old Marriott Scott, but this lift has been horribly modernised. This is a real loss. This lift was really nice and historic, but they've modernised it, so now it just looks like a boring load of crap.